Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is a follow-up to a video I put out a day or two ago. Somebody asked me if it works with other brokerages to be able to copy and paste the data, and essentially it works with any brokerage. So yesterday, I showed you an example of essentially copying an options chain, right? This is my Fidelity account. And I had just pasted it and it magically fell into the bid ask strike category, right? Well, that was just for just to show you guys how easily and quick it is to copy and paste the data and get results, you know, within seconds. But some of you guys have Tastyworks, Schwab, TD Ameritrade, interactive brokers, right? So how do you set it up so it reads that data? Well, it's quite easy. So for this one, for Fidelity, I grabbed the data and I'm just going to go over to the right and paste the data, right? All this stuff is still blank. All you have to do, I know these are going to be calls, right? I know this is my bid column. I know that's my ask column, and I know those are the strikes. So once you get it set up the first time, it's easy peasy. So for those, if you don't know Excel all that well, this is extremely easy. For the bid, you're going to go equals. Boom. And this is going to be your ask, so it equals right there. Strike is going to equal V10. Then copy this, paste special. All you want is the formula. So now it's set. So if I go ahead and erase this data, clear contents, this all zeroes out. However, the formulas are still there. So I can go back to my Fidelity, copy, paste the data. I used a little cheat marker here so I know which column to paste it in. That's it, and you get your bid, ask, and strike. So if you are working from interactive brokers, Tasty Trades, whatever, all you have to do is paste your data to the right, make a little marker so you know where to start, figure out your bid column, figure out your ask column, and figure out your strike. If we needed the puts for the other spreadsheets, I know these are my bid for my puts. I know those are my ask for my puts, so it would just change to those columns. And if you want to go over to the spreadsheet, there's the data. One thing I didn't describe is anything in gray, those are in the money strikes. And anything darker, those are out of the money strikes. So if we go back to paste data, some of you might not have 10 strikes in the money, 10 strikes out of the money. Some of you might have 16 strikes, 8 in and 8 out, or 12 or whatever. Now the max you can go is 20 strikes total. 10 in the money, 10 out of the money. That's what this spreadsheet's designed for, but you can definitely go less than that. Let's say, as an example, Fidelity only had 16 strikes. Let's go ahead and clear this data. And let's just say, as an example, this only had 16 strikes. So I'll go 8 in the money, 8 out of the money. As long as you have 8 in the money, 8 out of the money, it's fine. Bid, ask, strike is showing. And if you look at the spreadsheet, now those are just blank. The 2 top and the 2 bottom. But everything else is still there. So it works with not only other brokerages to pull the data, but if you have fewer strikes, that's fine. But you can't go more than 10 strikes in the money, 10 strikes out of the money. So I'll make this available here real quick. And again, to delete it, not delete it, but clear contents, right? and you see your spreadsheet now is blank. Again, I have a little marker here so I know where to paste the data, and that's it.